Did you know that the average blogger spends over 4 hours writing a single blog post, and most of those blogs never even rank on Google? What if I told you that you could create an entire blog, automate your SEO, and make money online without spending hours writing or even touching the content?
Yeah, boy.
There's a tool that does all of this for you, instantly. Introducing Journalist AI, the future of online income generation. If you've been struggling to rank your blog and make money online, this could change everything. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Journalist AI to start making money online with an automated blog. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or entrepreneur, this AI tool will save you time, energy, and money while boosting your SEO and helping you monetize your blog effortlessly. We'll dive into the features, explain how it works, and show you why it's the best tool for anyone looking to build passive income online. For bloggers and content creators, especially those without big budgets, creating high-quality content that ranks can feel like an uphill battle. You pour hours into writing, optimizing for SEO, and posting, only to see your content buried on page 5 of Google search results. It's frustrating and time-consuming. You want to make money online, but the process is overwhelming. And let's be honest, you don't have time or money to waste. This is where Journalist AI steps in. Imagine creating blogs that rank, generate traffic, and make you money, all while you focus on the bigger picture. With keyword research, AI writing, and automated SEO practices, Journalist AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Journalist AI is an AI-powered platform designed to help bloggers, marketers, and business owners automate their content creation and SEO. Here's what it does. AI writing. It generates SEO-optimized articles automatically. No more writer's block or hours of research. AI SEO editor. Improve your article's Google ranking with real-time SEO suggestions. AI SEO writer. Generate, publish, and update articles automatically without lifting a finger. Autoblogging. Create a fully automated blog in seconds that keeps itself updated. Auto-linking. Automatically build internal and external links to strengthen your SEO strategy. Social syndication. Share your blog posts across social media automatically to drive more traffic. Automatic indexing. Ensures your pages are quickly indexed by Google for faster visibility. The best part? You don't need technical skills or a big budget to get started. All you need is Journalist AI. To see for yourself, click the link in the description and try Journalist AI for free today. Let's talk about how you can use Journalist AI to build a profitable blog. 1. Passive income. Autoblog. Imagine setting up an AI-powered blog that writes and publishes its own content. Within days, your site could be ranking for keywords in your niche, driving traffic, and making money through ads and affiliate links. No need to worry about planning, content creation, SEO, or even publishing. The AI does it all. 2. YouTube video to blog post. Already making videos to grow your online presence? Journalist AI can turn those videos into SEO-optimized blog posts in minutes, expanding your reach to a new audience without any extra effort. More visibility equals more income. 3. AI listicle generator. Want to create viral listicles without the hassle? Journalist AI's listicle generator automatically creates list-based articles that attract clicks and shares, boosting your traffic and making your content more monetizable. 4. Automated SEO. Forget about learning SEO tricks or spending money on consultants. Journalist AI automatically optimizes your blog posts for SEO, from keyword placement to meta tags, ensuring your content is always Google ranking ready. These features make Journalist AI the ultimate tool for anyone serious about making money online without the traditional time investment. So let me ask you, how much time are you currently spending trying to write and optimize content for your blog? What would you do with all that free time if AI could handle it for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What's been your biggest challenge in trying to make money online through blogging? To sum it up, Journalist AI offers everything you need to build a money-making blog on autopilot. From content generation to SEO and social syndication, this tool has you covered. If you're a blogger, content creator, or entrepreneur trying to break into the world of online income, Journalist AI will not only save you time, but also increase your chances of ranking higher and earning more. Don't wait. Your competition isn't. Click the link in the description to try Journalist AI for free and start building your automated money-making blog today.